Your Apple news for this week. Apple is releasing development kits for those looking to develop applications for the Vision Pro headset. Developers are bound to strict usage and physical security requirements, having to agree to keep the headsets in a secure location and away from public viewing. Analyst reports have the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro coming in at $100 to $200 more expensive than the iPhone 14 Pro. While not confirmed, the rumored addition of a titanium frame, thinner bezel and associated screen tech, and an updated camera could significantly increase the cost to produce the phone. The latest iOS 17 betas have been released to the public. The latest updates include enhancements to icons and the mental well-being app. The watchOS update now includes the Snoopy watch faces. The watch faces are one of the most anticipated additions to watchOS this year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, feel free to like and subscribe.